Okay. Was he beeping at you for not going through?
I don't know.
Or was he just like, I'm going through, warning?
Guess red lights don't apply to them. Dumbass.
I was there at the office and someone asked me if I could help them change the water cooler. They thought I was an employee. I did not, but I did tell them how often Connect is and how they're in the right place. Connect Chiropractic, go to Milwaukee's top chiropractor, because they're number one. Dr. Marley, help me today. On my back.
Our goal was to create a collaborative, innovative work environment that would attract the next generation of talent. I love working downtown, and so do my employees. Experience it for yourself. Go to MilwaukeeDowntown.com.
Brought my family together, and I know, again, we were teenagers. The story seems to work whether you are really familiar with what happened or you don't know the players or the team at all. The season had, it was like a movie script, which ironically we made a movie, but the ups and downs, like we were recording this one, you couldn't write this. You really couldn't. Ellie Collins in that clubhouse, you maybe got a small glimpse of what it was like for either one of the guys, and they so enjoyed being around each other. They would go in early, they would go out late. They really loved me. They were really a bad.
Go. You're good. You can make it. You can do it. Okay. Thanks for letting me know. You are not in the left turn lane.
Hey, John, here for Annex Wealth Management. When it comes to investing and retirement planning, it's important to get it right. Inflation is holding down, but prices remain high.
What the hell are you doing?
Shaping up to be quite a presidential election, and it's the right time to put things in the hands of professionals.
Evening games are the toughest games because your brain is just churning all day long. You've got assignments rolling in your head. And what do I do on this play? And what's this? What coverage did they show on this and this? And like at some point you're just exhausted by like the mental load and you just want to be on the field.
At 6 o'clock, it's 77 degrees. Nice clear sky, below 63 from the WTMJ Breaking News Center. I'm Jessica Gasto. 2 students and 2 teachers are dead after the school shooting in Georgia. Director of the Georgia Bureau of Investigations, Chris Hosey, told the media what happened at the first.
There's people that call 911 on that shit, like all the time.
This morning.
Therefore, I do not do those things.
Protection for everyone.
Or if there's like anything we can do out in this area. What is this person even? What are they doing? How long have they been in that lane? It's not even a lane.
Women, John, that are getting into that. The guy with the bat never hit anybody. He went back into his tent.
Well, that we saw, he hasn't hit anybody yet.
Oh, true. That's a good
Why
point.
are they allowing this to happen?
But I
That's the
mean,
word watch.
Some of them live in cars and
Because when she contacted me, we went over there and talked to her. She's a beautiful woman, really beautiful spirit. Faithfully worked for the city for 16 years. And she said she reached out to the mayor's office to talk to him about what she felt about reckless driving and things like that, and haven't gotten a reply. All I want to do is for the mayor.
Charge the next few days. Big news from SpaceX on Tuesday. It's planning to launch its Polaris Dawn mission to carry a crew of private citizens to altitudes higher than any human has traveled since the Apollo program. The four-person crew includes a billionaire named Jared Isaacman, who self-funded the mission in 2021. His friend and a former Air Force pilot, Scott Kid-Cote.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin.